In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell and withdraw on Coinbase. So firstly, I'm going to show you how to sell crypto on Coinbase to a fiat currency, and then I'll show you how to withdraw on Coinbase to either a bank account, credit or debit card, or to PayPal. As always, timestamps are in the description below. And as always, nothing in this video is financial advice. And if you want financial advice, you should seek a licensed professional. So firstly, I'm going to show you how to sell your crypto on Coinbase back to a fiat currency that we can withdraw, because we obviously can't send crypto to a regular bank account. Now, there are two ways you can sell your crypto on Coinbase, either with the button in the top right here, which is the simplest way for beginners, but there is also another option to do this in Coinbase Advanced, which is down here, and I'm going to show you both because the advanced version has lower fees. So firstly, to use the buy and sell button, you would just click this here and then go to the sell tab, and then you want to choose the asset that you want to sell by selecting the top box. I'm going to click Bitcoin Cash. Then you want to press on the add to box, and here you are going to select a fiat currency. In the UK, I can sell to euros and GBP, but your country may be different here. I'm going to leave it on GBP. So here you can key in the amount you want to sell, and then you can press preview sell, and then you can see any fees associated with this, and you can see that the fee here is £1.49, and I will get £13.04 back afterwards. This way of selling has high trading fees, and the spread is very wide because you are paying for the convenience. If you want to go through with this, you would press sell now, but I'm not going to do that, as I'm going to show you the advanced option where you will get much lower trading fees. So to do this, you want to click on advanced down here, which will take you to the advanced trading page. From here, we want to choose a trading pair of the crypto we want to sell and the fiat currency we want in return for our crypto. So to do this, you want to click BTC-USD up here. And as I'm going to be withdrawing to GBP, I'm going to click this here. This will now show you a list of different trading pairs for different cryptos and for GBP. So as I want to sell my Bitcoin Cash, I'm going to select BCH to GBP, which means I'm selling my BCH for GBP in return. So for the sake of this tutorial, we're not really interested in anything on the left here. So you want to come over to the right hand panel here and press on the sell button. Here you can see my BCH balance in my account is 0.04. And you now have a couple of options: limit, market, and stop limit. Market is the easiest and will sell your crypto at the best available price. So below this, you want to choose the amount of BCH you want to sell, either by keying in an amount or by clicking one of these percentage amounts here. I'm going to click max, and then below this you will get a rough idea of how much you will get back in return, which is £14.62, and you can see that the fee is only going to be 9p with this, which is a lot less than the £1.40 or 50 they were charging earlier. So to process this, you would press sell BCH, but I'm not going to do that now because I also want to show you the limit order. So alternatively, you can press limit, and this is where you choose the price that you will sell your BCH or other cryptocurrency at. Obviously, the problem with this is that if the market doesn't go to your desired price, then your order will not be processed. If you're wanting to go down this route, then it may be worth selling around the current price, which you can see on the order book here. And the top half shows the sell orders and the bottom half shows the current buy orders. So if you click on one of these sell orders, say this one here, it will populate your limit price, which is 336.26. Again, you can choose how much you want to sell in this box here, either by keying it in or picking one of the percentage amounts. And again, you will get a rough idea of how much you will get back in GBP here, and also any fees involved. And if you're happy with this, you can press sell BCH. So I'm just going to show you a limit order just for the sake of this demo, but I'm going to put the price really high so that the order doesn't go through. So I'm going to say I want to sell my Bitcoin Cash at 4,000. And I'm going to sell the max here, and so then technically I'd get 171. Obviously this isn't going to process. So if I go sell BCH, you'll see that that order is now open down here. If the price is going in the wrong direction away from your order, or you want to adjust the sell price, then you can do this in here, or alternatively, you can just cancel this. But for simplicity, and if you don't want to mess around with picking prices, and if you just want to sell your crypto instantly, then Market is the best option here. So anyway, I'm going to go back to the main Coinbase page. And once you're in a fiat currency, you can now withdraw from the platform. And you will need to see which options you personally have. To do this, you want to click on My Assets, and then I'm going to press on GBP here. So you can see I have £2 in my account. And then to cash this out, I'm going to put in 2 here. Well, apparently I only have 1.99, but we'll go with that. So if I go 1.99, and if I go continue, you can see all my options that I have listed here. Now, previously on my account, I have bought crypto with a bank card, which is what you can see here. And I've also deposited from a bank account, and I've also linked my PayPal account. If you haven't done any of these yet, you can go to add a bank account where you can add different payment methods such as a credit or debit card, PayPal, or your bank account. So I would like to tell you which withdrawal method is the most expensive, but unfortunately Coinbase support was about as helpful as a chocolate teapot when I was trying to find out. But they did say you will find out the fees at the point of processing them. So unfortunately, you will have to do this yourself, but I can tell you what I get charged on my account, and maybe it will be a basis for you. Generally, transferring to a credit or debit card is the most expensive. And if I want to send money back to my bank account or to PayPal, it is free. But Coinbase did tell me that fees will vary based on your location and payment method. So while this is free for me, it may be different for you. But they did say all the information about fees and how quick your payment will arrive are visible on the cash out preview screen. So you will have to try these for yourself. And it's also worth noting that fees can obviously change over time, so it's always worth checking each time you withdraw. So no matter which payment method you use to withdraw your fiat currency, the details of the credit card, bank account or PayPal have to be exactly the same as the KYC information you supplied when signing up. So to send to a credit or debit card, you can click this here, and then you will put in all your card details here. Now, as I've already funded my account with a card in the past, I can click this here and press continue. This is the preview screen here, and you can see that I will get charged a fee of 55p and that I will receive £1.44 out of my £1.99. It's my understanding with credit and debit cards that there is a 2% fee of what you're transferring, with a minimum fee of 55p or 55 cents if you're transferring to a Euro account. Alternatively, to withdraw to a bank account in the UK, I have the option to withdraw to a UK or Euro bank account. This will likely vary by the country you are in. So if I click on the UK bank account, I'm just going to click past the message about avoiding scams and fraud, but you should read this. Now, to withdraw to your bank account, you will have to make a small deposit from your bank account first, so that Coinbase can check that you own the bank account and that all of the bank account details match your KYC. Now, it says you need to transfer a small amount of pounds from your bank account to Coinbase. So I sent £2 and they verified my account within 5 to 10 minutes. So behind the hidden boxes here is the bank account details of the Coinbase account that you need to transfer your money to. But the important part here is the reference number. And this is the reference number that lets Coinbase know it's you depositing funds into your account. According to Coinbase, though, deposits typically take 1 to 3 days to appear in your account after you've sent them. So I guess it depends on your bank. And once you've deposited onto Coinbase from your bank account, you can withdraw to that same account. If I go to withdraw to my bank account here, you can see that my funds will arrive instantly and the cash out fee is free. But again, this may vary by your bank account or location. In some countries, you may have the option to withdraw to PayPal. And if you've not already set this up, you can do this by clicking here. By clicking that, it would ask you to log into your PayPal account here. I've already done this though, so I don't need to do this again. But what you would do is log in, and then that would link your PayPal and your Coinbase accounts together. And then once you've done this, it will appear in this list here like I have already. And if I click PayPal here, you can see that from my $1.99, there will be no cash out fee, and I will get £1.99 in my PayPal account. And this will arrive by tomorrow. But again, this may vary based on your country. Anyway, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you got any value from it, then please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe, as I upload new finance and crypto related content every week. And now you've learned to cash out your account, you may also be wondering what's the difference between a coin and a token. So I recommend watching this video next. It's been Ollie from Get Geek Finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.